Dating apps, a single mom's guide. Hello ladies, welcome to Single Moms Make Money. This is the place where you will gain knowledge on how to make money and provide information to help single mothers be successful. For regular updates, please hit the little cute button and tap the bell icon for future videos. Dating as a single mom is challenging enough, but adding COVID-19 to the mix has made things even more difficult. Dating apps are one of the only methods to meet someone. Either someone sets you up or you encounter someone out of the blue, which is difficult while wearing a mask. Every dating app has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and I've used a few in the last year. I'd like to share my dating experience with other single moms in the hopes of making it a little simpler for them. We here at Single Moms have put together a list of dating apps along with some tips and tactics for each. We hope you find it useful when you're ready to return to the dating world. Dating on Facebook, I had no idea this existed until earlier this year, and it offers benefits that you won't find on any other dating site. To begin with, it's really simple to set up because it's directly linked to your Facebook account. You're ready to begin with only a few clicks. It also displays if you and a possible match have mutual acquaintances, which can help you feel more comfortable approaching a stranger. Tips: if you unintentionally pass someone on, you can view them again by clicking on Second Look under the Settings tab. Because the location feature does not always work correctly, set your distance preference a bit further than usual by clicking Take a Break under the Account page in your settings. You can conceal your profile at any moment without having to remove it. You will not be matched with pals, so you don't have to worry about someone you know finding out you're on there. Only friends of friends will be paired with you. Hinge. Because the Hinge app is branded as a relationship app, people looking for a hookup are less likely to use it. If you prefer, you can sign up using your Facebook account or an email address. I like it because you have to publish at least 6 photos, therefore there are fewer bogus profiles on there. In addition, you must answer 3 questions, which is more enjoyable than filling out a bio on other dating apps. Tips: free users are limited to 10 likes every day, so make the most of them. After you sign up, your profile will say just joined for a while. This draws attention to your profile and makes you more attractive to possible partners. Once you've matched with someone, the app allows you to call or video chat with them. If you don't feel comfortable giving someone your phone number right immediately, you can utilize this. It's quite simple to delete. You're free and clear in only a few clicks. Their motto that it's designed to be deleted absolutely holds true in that aspect. Okay Cupid, this app has undergone a lot of changes in the last year, but it's still where I've had the most success. The profiles are usually more detailed, and matches are offered based on your responses to specific questions. Users can leave intros for you to read when they like your profile, but you can't communicate with each other until you match. Tips: the alerts on this app are finicky, so check it frequently to ensure you don't miss anything. Under the Discovery tab, you can customize your preferences. Get results that are more personalized depending on your age, location, body type, lifestyle, and even family preferences. Unless you switch to a paying subscription, you won't be able to see any of your likes. Under the free option, the only way to tell if someone likes you is if you both like each other. Instead of destroying your account, you can choose to disable it, and everything will be restored the next time you check in. Plenty of fish. This is the app to use if you want to send messages to a large number of people at once. You receive a lot of features for free, such as the ability to chat with users on the app without needing to like each other first. However, this might be a disadvantage, particularly for women who receive a lot of unwelcome messages. It's simple to block users, but having to do so on a regular basis might be inconvenient. Tips: if you don't want to create a cheesy headline, simply include a smiley face in your profile. Guys will still message you, believe me. Under the Viewed Me section of the app, you can see the last 3 users who have viewed your profile. You can check who is presently online or was last online, so you know which users are the most active on the app and hence more likely to react. Upgraded users can also see when someone reads their message, so you don't have to guess whether someone is ignoring you or not. Tinder, perhaps the most well-known dating app, can be intimidating for single moms. Because many of the males on there are searching for short-term relationships or hookups, it's definitely advisable to try one of the other apps suggested above unless you're looking for the same. I just used Tinder for a day before deleting it. Tips: be honest about what you're searching for on your profile, especially if you're looking for anything long-term. Free users are given one super like every day, which they can use to increase their visibility to a user they want to match with. You can become Tinder verified by taking 2 selfies to establish that you are who you claim you are in the photos you're sharing. Swiping right only on verified accounts is a simple technique to avoid being catfished. Users will be able to see your Instagram profile if you link it to your Tinder profile. If you're a single mother, you may want to stay away from this to safeguard your privacy. It's a handy thing to have when you're on the go. Additional dating apps. There are so many dating apps to pick from that it can be tough to decide which ones to use. Bumble and Zeus were also on our list, though they are not our favorites. There are also dating applications that match you up with people that share your physical type, race, religion, and age. To find out which ones are available, go to your phone's app store and look for those with the greatest reviews. How to make your profile stand out. There are a few strategies you might employ if you wish to stand out among the mass of aspirants. 1. Take images in good lighting. Face a window with a lot of light coming through it and stare into the camera lens to take a fantastic selfie. This will ensure that you have the finest lighting and angle possible. 2. Use a headshot as your main profile photo. Body shots are fantastic, but seeing a person's face is more difficult, especially when swiping quickly or looking at small thumbnail images. 3. Include a couple of full-length photographs so there are no unpleasant shocks when the date arrives. In your bio, be sincere. Guys prefer girls that are genuine and genuine. 4. In your profile, don't emphasize money. The most prevalent criticism I hear from guys about girls on dating apps is that they are concerned about their financial situation. It's a total turn-off. 5. Show off your sense of humor. It's important to remember that dating should be enjoyable and exciting, so don't be afraid to be flirty and playful. Guys appreciate a female who can unwind and have a good time, so be sure to reflect that in your bio. 6. Keep in mind that dating apps can be a terrific way to meet new people, but don't set unrealistic expectations right away. You may have to kiss a lot of frogs before you meet your prince, but once you do, all of your swiping will be worth it. Ladies, we hope this video brings value to you. Please, ladies, for regular updates, please hit the little cute button and tap the bell icon for future videos. Toodles.